Christmas is one of the most wonderful times of the year. It's also a time when we decorate our homes with lights, trees, and wreaths, and garlands on arms and more. But if you don't have the budget to buy these items, you can still create an amazing holiday look without spending a lot of money. In this video, I will tell you amazing tricks. If you start planning now, the holiday will be much less stressful. If you will find all the things you are looking for and get it all done and with room to spare. Similarly to last year, there will be shipping delays and product price increases, so take advantages of the stock now if you can. Before running a Christmas aesthetic, consider what you love. Do you love color, rustic decor, vintage, coastal? You get the idea? Start there. Maybe you found a beautiful piece of fabric with colors that you are drawn to, or maybe your inspiration is from artwork or an antique Christmas ornament or era. Use this inspiration you find to guide how to decorate in 2022. Your vibe will drive how you select ornaments, garland, ribbon, greenery, flowers, and other organic elements. Try pinning or screenshotting pictures on your phone so you can refer to them and shop for similar items. To me, Christmas is one of the most beautiful times of the year. You cannot beat the decoration, the food, the music, the party, and the overall festive vibe. But if you can't afford to spend a fortune on gift and decoration, don't worry. Here are some ideas to get you started. Before shopping online or in the store, take note of what you have in storage that can be incorporated with your 2022 Christmas aesthetic. Repurpose items you have because we don't have to buy new things to update our decorating style. If you need to buy things, it's amazing how you can find the coolest item for a song. One of the best parts about decorating for the holidays is cutting fresh winter greens and finding organic elements in the garden. From fresh evergreens to pine cones and berries, you can find a lot of free holiday decor like winter planters in the yard. List of usage of this year: pine branches, blue spruce, weeping evergreen branches, rhododendrons, holly, boxwood, sedum, autumn joy or joy, wheat, dried seed heads, japonica, berries, pine cones. Decorate with items not intended for use. Grab that old pear crutch, put some greens and add some festive ribbon with other organic elements to it, or use a vintage galvanized metal bucket to use a Christmas tree base. Use an old tablecloth as a tree skirt for Christmas aesthetic, putting it with fresh green for the garden. Fresh green food